Hello dear students, very good morning. Welcome back to e-learning program initiated by Vidyadhish Vidya Sankul under the guidance of Dr. G.M. Suttaiya sir. So, this is our 36th lecture. In previous lecture, we have discussed 6 conditions, right? Issued at par, redeem at par, issued at premium, redeem at par, issued at discount, redeem at par. Those 3 and then issued at par, redeem at premium. એટલે કે redemption par એ કરવાનું અને premium એ કરવાનું, right? So today we are going to discuss the sums related to those entries. As you know that we have to write 4 entries in each condition, right? So let's discuss one sum which is there in your textbook on page number 114, question 15. Page 114, question 15. Right? Now, see, write the journal entries only for the issue of debentures from the following transactions without narration. એટલે શું કીધું છે? Entries લખવાની છે શેની? Only issued entry કીધું છે. Right? Redemption ની entry ક્યાંય કીધું નથી. That means issued entry જે આપણે first લખતા હતા ને 2 વાળી એ જ લખવાની છે. First condition શું છે? Issued 8,500 9.5% debentures of rupees 100 each at a par, redeemable also at par. That means this debentures are issued at par and redeemed at par. That means condition number 1. In that we have written 2 journal entries, right? So first of all we'll give the head. For this sum they have given 3 conditions, right? So please draw a format of 3 pages. Sorry, 1 page. એક પેજમાંથી આપણે કમ્બાઇનલી કરતા જઈશું. The name of company is not given, so we'll give only the head journal entries. Date, then comes particulars, LF, debit rupees, and credit rupees. Right? So the first condition which they have given is, first condition is issued at par and redemption at par. So we have to write the issue entry of first condition, right? Because they have said to write only issue entries. So in first, the journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application to 9.5% debenture application and allotment account, right? So the number of shares are 8,500 and we have issued this debentures at rupees 100. So the amount is 8,50,000 on both the side. Now we have to write the transfer entries, right? See, they have given the instruction without narration. That's why we'll not write the narration. Underline. Leave one line, then the second one for this. That is transferring entry. Transferring entry will be 9.5% debenture application and allotment account debit 9.5% debenture account. Amount is 8,50,000. 8,50,000. Right? So here we have completed first condition. Right? They have said to write only issued entry. That's why here we have completed the first. Now we have to do the second one. The second condition. Issued 9,500, 9.5% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%. Redeemable at par. That means here the third condition will come. Issued at discount, redeem at par. Right? Issued at discount, redemption at par. The second condition. Right? In this also two journal entries will come. Right? See, they have given 10% discount. That means 100 minus 10%. We have issued this debenture at 90 rupees and 10 rupees is discount. But that entry will come in the second one, transferring entry. Right? So the first entry will remain common bank account, debit, to 9.5% debenture application and allotment account. The number of debentures are 9,500 into we have demanded 90 rupees, right? So the amount will be 8,55,000. Underline, leave one line, then second one for this. That will be for transferring. And the journal entry will be 9.5% debenture application and allotment account debit to 9.5% debenture. Sorry, we have issued this debenture at discount, so we have to debit discount account, debenture discount account debit to 9.5% debenture account. In application and allotment, the amount which we have credited, that will come 8,55,000. How does 8,55,000 come? 9,500 into 90 rupees. But the original price is 9,500 into 100. That means 9,50,000. Right? And we have given the discount of 10 rupees. That means 9,500 into 10 rupees. So here we have to debit 95,000 rupees. So with this we have completed the second condition. Now only third condition is left. But before discussing third condition, write down this two. Done? Now we'll discuss the third condition. issued 8,000 10% debentures of rupees 200. See, the face value is 200. Each at a premium of 10% and redeemable at par. That means we have issued this debenture with premium and will redeem this at par. So, issued at premium, redemption at par. That means the second condition of our format will come. Here we have to write only issued entries. So the first journal entry will be bank account debit to 10% debenture application and allotment account. Into bracket. The number of debentures are 8,000. But we have issued this with premium, that means 200 rupees face value plus 10% premium, that is 20 rupees. So we have issued this debenture at 220 rupees, right? And the amount will be 17,60,000. Underline. They have said we have to write the journal entries without narration. That's why we are not writing being anywhere, right? The second entry will be for transferring. The entry will be 10% debenture application and allotment account debit to 10% debenture account to security premium reserve account. The amount will come here 17,60,000. 8,000 into 200 rupees and 8,000 into 20 rupees. So the amount will be 16 lakh and 1,60,000. Right? Underline. See, here will not do total because they have given three different conditions and we have written in a same format. That's why, right? If you want to do, then after completion of this sum, you can do the full underline. But no need to do total. Clear? Write it down. Now we'll discuss the question number 16. Same page. Next question, question number 16. Before discussing question number 16, in your textbook, in example, there is one sum. Illustration number 12, which is same as question number 15, which we have done right now, right? So that illustration number 12 is your homework, right? Now we'll discuss the question number 16, page number 114. Satyam Limited issued 12,000 8% debentures of rupees 100 each at a par as on 1/7/17 This debentures are to be redeemed on 30/6/23. 2017 માં આ debenture issue કરે છે and 23 માં return કરે છે, right? કેટલા return કરવાનું છે? 115. C, that means issued at par. 100 rupees શું છે? face value clearly કહી દીધું છે, ₹100 each at a par, and redeem at ₹115. face value 100 છે, return કરીએ છીએ 115. that means the condition is issued at par, redeem at premium. Condition number 4, right? So pass necessary journal entries in the books of company for issued and redemption of debentures. See, both the words are used, issued and redemption. That means we have to write 4 entries, right? Without narration, so will not write the big. The name of company is given, so we'll give the head journal entries in the books of Satyam Limited. Date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. So, the first 2 entry are connected with issued entry, and the issued date is 1/7/17. 1/7/17, right? The journal entry will be bank account debit to 8% debenture application and allotment account. The amount is, number of debentures are 12,000 into, we have issued this at a par, so 100. The amount will be ₹12 lakh on both the side, right? So the next one will be for transferring, but the transferring entry will not be the same as we are discussing before. In the time of issue, we know that we have to redeem this debenture with premium. That means we have to suffer a loss of ₹15. So we have to write the entry for that too, right? 8% debenture application and allotment account debit, then loss on issue of debenture account debit to 10% debenture account, and we have to return this debenture with premium, so we have to credit to premium on redemption of debenture account, right? So see, in application the amount will come 12 lakh, and that amount we have to transfer in capital, that means debenture account, 12,000 into 100 rupees. So here we have to credit 12 lakh. And this loss is connected with premium on redemption. The amount for premium on redemption is 12,000 into 15 rupees. That means that amount we have to suffer as loss. 12,000 into 15, right? So the amount will be 1,80,000 on both the side. Underline. Leave one line, then next one will be for redemption. So in that entry we have to write the redemption date, and that is 36/23. The entry will be, this to account will be debited here. So 10% debenture account debit, the amount is 12 lakh. એટલે કે આપણે ઓરિજિનલી 12 લાખ તો રિટર્ન કરવાના જ છે. એ સિવાય શું રિટર્ન કરવાનું છે? પ્રીમિયમ ઓન redemption of debenture account debit, that is 1,80,000, right? 2, debenture holders account, the amount will come here 13,80,000. એટલે કે રિટર્ન કરતી વખતે આપણે કેટલી અમાઉન્ટ આપવાની છે? 13,80,000, right? So this is entry for redemption. Now we have to pay this amount to the debenture holder. Date will come the same. The journal entry will be this credited account we have to debit. That means debenture holders account debit to bank account, because we are paying, so cash will goes out or bank balance will decrease. That's why we have to credit bank account 13,80,000. Underline. Here we have completed this sum, so do the total. Again underline, write here the word total, and you have to do total by yourself, right? Hope you guys are clear with this sum, right? Write it down. Done? Now the next sum. Question number 17. See. On 1/4/17, Shivam Limited issued 8,000 7.5% debentures of rupees 250 each at a discount of 5%. So the face value of debenture is 250 and we have given the discount 5%. So 250 into 5%, that means 12.5 rupees is our discount. All the debentures are to be redeemed after 5 years as on 31/3/22 at a premium of 10%. So 250 plus 10%, that is 25. So 250 plus 25, we have to return 275C. Now we have issued this debenture at a value of 250 minus 12.5, that means 237.5, right? And we have to return 275 rupees. That means we have given discount as well as we have to suffer a loss, right? So the first entry will remain same. The third and fourth entry will remain same. There will be changes in only the second entry, and the amount will be changed. The date of issue is 1/4/7. We have issued total 8,000 debentures at a price of rupees 237.5, because 12.5 rupees is discount. So the amount will be 19 lakh. Right? Now, the second entry is also for issue. That's why we have to write 1/4/7. Here the 8% will not come. The percentage of debenture is 7.5%. Right? So 7.5% debenture application and allotment account debit. Then we have to debit debenture discount account, loss on issue of debenture account debit to 7.5% debenture account and to premium on redemption of debenture account. Right? Now see. Application and allotment amount is 19 lakh. Then we have given discount to 12.5 rupees. So here we have to write the 8,000 into 12.5. The face value of debenture will come in 7.5% debenture account, and that is 8,000 into 250. And we have to give the premium 8,000 into 25. So premium of redemption of debenture amount will come in loss. So 8,000 into 25. Right? So the amount will be 1 lakh, 2 lakh, here 20 lakh and 2 lakh. Right? So this amount 20 lakh and 2 lakh we have to return. So the next entry 20 lakh and 2 lakh. That means in debenture holder we have to credit 22 lakh. And that amount we have to return. So debenture holders account debit to bank account. The amount will be 22 lakh debit, 22 lakh credit. You have to do total by yourself, right? And your homework is illustration number 12, 13 and 14. This 3 is your homework, right? We'll meet in our next video lecture with new sums of same method, because as I told you in previous lecture that this is our last method, right? This question can be asked in your examination for 3 marks. So bye bye, take care.